Right guys, on Friday the 26th the summit starts. Now if you've not heard of the Traffic Legends 2020 giveaway, it's the biggest giveaway of this year. And on the summit there's going to be some massive speakers. We've got Wayne Crowe, we've got Anthony McCarthy, we've got Declan, we've got Matt Bazak speaking. And not only that, I found out last night they're adding a vault. Now in this vault they're going to be adding top products from these speakers that you will be able to have access to for free. Okay, now on top of that, just sign up for free and you can get access to all these products that other vendors have listed. All you do is come into your back office, you just click on a link. If you like what you see, you just click on download, so this will take them to the opt-in page and you can go download it. Alright, so there's hundreds of products on here that you can get access to. I've got mine here if you want access to mine, which is an awesome product by the way, so get access to that, get signed up. Now if you want to build your list for free, it's still not too late to add your products. You do need a special link for that. Just hit me up for that link. And as a vendor, you can just download your leads. You just come in, export all your leads. You can even export all the leads that are just clicked on your listing. Okay, so you've got those as well. So if building list for free, if you want to get that, I'd get it in now because the traffic is going to ramp up over the next couple of days. And then I'll see you on the summit tomorrow. Any questions, just let me know, and you know what to do below in the comments. All right. 'Cause you're a believer.